Welcome back, guys. In this video I'll be showing us how to use plotagon, especially how to make them talk with each other, the voices, and some other important things. So first of all, we will click on create video to create our video. So as you can see, it's already brought out the street corner winter scene, but okay, we will go with this scene. Let us choose our characters so that we can as well start the video immediately. So I'll be choosing, let me go with Papa Alex and someone else, David. So as you can see, this is our video. Now in our previous video I showed us how to do the camera angles. In one of my previous videos I didn't show how to make them interact. I showed actually how to make a character act on another character and also a camera angle. So I'll be practicing it here as well. When I click on this, I want to skip every other scene here. So now let us move into how we want our characters to talk. They are talking and expressions and everything. So you have to click on this chart. When you look down, you see these 6 icons. The one that looks like a chart beside the video icon, that is what you click. Now click on the no character. Choose one of your characters who you want to talk. One of your characters who you want to talk. Papa Alex, for example. So as you can see, it is already set. It has set the camera already to be on dialogue, on which you can reset it from here. Click on wide shot, then that is it. Then you can as well choose his expression. Now these are every expression we have in plotagon. Every expression we have in plotagon. So let me go with the angry. Then this is how we make them talk. You can in plotagon record your voice, or you can type in things and make them say those things out. For example, let us type in why are you here? Full stop. I told you to stay at home. Okay, why are you here? I told you to stay at home. So when it loads, we'll play.
Why are you here? I told you to stay at home.
That is it. Our character has acted. Why are you here? I told you to stay at home. So we can as well make him act on David. Okay, as you can see, these are the actions. Remember what I showed us in our previous video. If you have not watched that video, you can check through the link in the description or the video up there to watch the video. Okay, so let's make him push David. Should that be okay? No. Let's make him slap David. Alright, so now he has slapped David, but I want to add one more thing, the slap sound. So I'll go to this place and you can see I have many of them. You will have to download some of them with time. So the slap sound, I'll move it up. Okay, so now I'll play them as soon as I add David's reaction. So David will be feeling hot. So let's make him feel hot in. I'm sorry, Grandpa. I hope that's the spelling of Grandpa. Alright, okay, so let's play the video from the beginning.
Why are you here? I told you to stay at home.
I'm sorry, Grandpa.
So as you can see, that is it for the actions, the reaction of David, and the sound. As you can see, I placed this sound on top of the action. If I should place it under it, it will come after the action. So placing it on top of it made it come in at the same time, with the action. Let's go again.
Why are you here? I told you to stay at home.
Okay,
I'm sorry, Grandpa.
that is it.
Why are you here?
Let us practice the camera angle from David's side now. In dialogue mode, you can see how his face is. In dialogue mode, you can as well put it on still. Choose where you want the camera to be looking at and where you want it to be looking from. So from the bench side, it's looking at the door. Okay, you can as well change the camera angle to be moving backwards from the bench. Okay, let's say forward, moving forward.
I'm sorry, Grandpa.
So as you can see, the camera is moving forward. So there's nothing much to do in this place. Just plotagon is very, very simple, very easy to learn. Now this is a place where you can as well add your song. You can as well add your song or add another scene into your video. You can as well add another scene into your video. As you can see, these are my various scenes. My mobile data and Wi-Fi is switched off. That's why you can't see the pictures now. But when I click on them and click on the bedroom, it should load up, as we can see. So that is it. I want to add a kind of text scene, a text scene, that's what I call it. Let's say he left. So that is what will be displayed there when he says,
I'm sorry, Grandpa.
sorry Grandpa, he left. Then to the bedroom scene. So let's add David in the bedroom scene. And there is David. Let's make him sit on the bed. And that is it. When I played.
Why are you here? I told you to stay at home.
I'm sorry, Grandpa.
He left. So the reason this scene did not show is because you did not click on the voice, on the action part. So we have only David. That's why his voice was the only thing that came out. So now let me try recording my voice as I showed us initially. Oh my God, Grandpa beats me. That was so painful. Oh my God. So now I've recorded my voice. When we play it, it should say something. Okay, and maybe it's because I'm recording this video actually. Let me play that scene and know if you see anything. Okay, let's try it again. Oh my God, Grandpa beats me. Oh my God, that hurts. So I hope it worked this time. Okay, it said no sound was there. That's actually because I'm recording with my sound on. So that is how to record with your voice. That's how to record with your voice. It's not something that is too hard to do. That's how to record with your voice. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more. Peace out.